Listen,
your
Mama.
options.
My blood pressure was high when I got here, and I told them about the pain that I was telling you about.
You can talk to them on the phone in the waiting room. I got to take
and
an
I'm
IV
still
out.
bleeding, and they didn't do anything.
Hey, Miss Howard. Like me and myself and the officer here just told you, you're well within your rights.
It's illegal to deprive patients of care, sir.
What's that, man?
It's illegal to deprive patients of care. As soon as I
Listen, you're barking at the wrong tree. Right. We are not the doctors. The doctors make the decision.
I understand.
I'm trying to explain
they have
to
every
you.
right to sue.
Right. You can do whatever you want to do. Our job is just to get you out of the room because you've been discharged. It doesn't mean that you can't check back in later. It doesn't mean any of that. It just means that you have to stay in the waiting area.
And I need help.
Okay, and I hear you. Like I said, man, this is something you pay patient relations.
I asked for a supervisor. I need to speak to the doctor's supervisor. My insurance said that I should be able to speak to a supervisor. I explained to them what's going on.
The doctor that you saw is the supervisor.
Okay.
But patient relation is the department that takes care of that for you. This is what I'm trying to explain to you.
And you see the machine? It was high when I got here.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
They don't have anything to do medically.
Right, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
So I need some medical assistance.
You've been discharged. You can check back in, but as of now, you've been discharged.
I need help.
So if you will get help, if you were to check back in, but you're discharged right now.
Why am I being checked out and you see my blood pressure and y'all haven't addressed the bleeding or nothing?
Listen, the doctor has made his decision.
Right.
And that means that the doctor is being racist, biased, sexist.
But
I'm being
this is not
discriminated
the first time.
This is assumption, so we can't go.
It's not
that.
assumption.
Well, like I said, we're not here for that. Like I said, we're not here for that.
Okay.
But we know you've been discharged. Whatever complaint you have regarding that, this is something that you express to patient relation.
Okay.
But what I'm telling you is that by you not cooperating, it's not helping.
But I'm in pain and I'm
You've
bleeding.
been discharged, ma'am. If you want to see medical attention, you will have to re-check in again. As of now, you've been discharged.
And I'm bleeding.
Huh?
Who is this young lady?
That's my daughter.
Okay, so at this point, you have an option. You need to either work with us or...
Your mom's not listening.
What's another thing that she's talking about?
Yeah.
The bottom line is she has to get up and go to the lobby, or I'm going to send her to jail.
They just told Katie they're going to send me to jail, so,
Just leave. Just leave. You and Katie just leave.
I can't.
And go to
My side is burning, and I'm bleeding.
I don't want you to go to jail and then they take Katie away. Just leave.
I don't have no choice, because I'm bleeding, and my blood pressure's sky high.
I know. Just please, just leave.
I don't have a choice. I can't.
You can go. I don't know if you drove here, but there's a hospital right across the street. If
Yeah, you can always check in somewhere else. If you feel like you're not taking care of here, you can go somewhere else.
Just go over to Emory and see if they'll help you.
I can't. I'm in pain, and my blood pressure is up. I keep telling them that I'm bleeding.
I gotta take your IV out.
Let her get your IV.
No.
I mean, they have to
Don't
take it out.
stop. Don't touch
You're going to
me,
end
sir.
up going to jail, okay?
Sir, don't touch me.
All right, you're under
Stop
arrest.
touching me, sir.
You're under arrest. Sit up. You're under arrest. Get the IV. Let her take the IV out. Or I'm putting handcuffs on you and you're going to jail.
Really don't want to go to jail. This is the route. This is the route we have to take. At this point, we're going to put these handcuffs on. You want handcuffs? What do Miss Howard, come on, man. We don't want to take it there, Miss Howard. Just sit in the wheelchair.
She's also recording as well, so just feel
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, your friend or whoever you were speaking with on the phone was explaining to you. You might as well just get in the wheelchair, man. Come on.
I can't. I'm in pain and I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding where?
Hospital across the street.
I let them know that I was bleeding and I was in pain. They already know what's wrong.
Yeah, like we explained to you, Miss Howard, we don't work for the medical staff. Okay, that's not my
understand.
position, so I can't speak on that.
I
All I know is that when the doctor discharges you, then you have to leave. Okay. So what we're trying to explain to you is that we can sit you down in this wheelchair, get you in the lobby, and wait for patient relation to come see you.
Call Uncle
And
Jim
whatever
so he
complaint
can
you
get
have,
you.
whatever complaint you have, you can express that to patient relation.
Or I can drive you across the street.
Uncle Jim.
Yeah, I know. I just having this
And right,
morning
and
real
he's
quick.
offering you a ride across the street if you want to.
I'm gonna call my ambulance.
Come on, Miss Howard.
We need you to make a move.
I'm in pain and I'm bleeding.
Alright, so what's going on now? I'm gonna help you facilitate sitting up, okay?
I just told you that. I'm in pain and I'm bleeding. Y'all,
Okay, man.
you calling Uncle Jim.
Okay. Get you to have a stand right here, and I'm gonna be on one side to help you stand since you're feeling weak.